Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, September 11th, 2020. The fourth Sudoku is a 4 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 1509. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. The previous Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, has 24 5. I think this one has 24. Let me check. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20. 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. Correct. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so on the row above. The only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So on the column next, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Five missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. And we see here an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Then 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Five in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for a 5 should be there. Four missing numbers. 2 of those numbers are the 9 and the 6. In this big square, the 9 and the 6, I cannot place the 9 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 and 6 there. So the 9 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. It's a pair. Let me mark them for you. The other 2 boxes are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there and the 3 goes there. Not easy. In this column, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 5. 2, 4, 5. We see here the 4 and the 5. So in this box cannot be 4 and a 5. The 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. Two numbers left in the second row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 6. Here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 6. Here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. 4, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark them. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. This cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 5 and this should be a 4. 2, 2, 5. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. No, 7 we have here. The 3. 3 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 1, 5, and the 9. We have a 1 here and a 5 there, so in this box cannot be a 1 or a 5. 1 digit left. The 9. The 1 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. Three, 3, 3, 9, 9. Two, 5, 4, 7, 4, 7, and 7 and 8. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those numbers are the 4, 7, and the 8. We have a 7 and 8 here in this column, so no 7 and 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 4. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. The other two boxes, 2 and a 5. Also up here. So 3 missing numbers in this column. The 9 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 9 and the 5 we have here. So no 9 and the 5 in this box. The 9 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 2. And 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 8, 7, 7, 7. Yes, in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. So in one of these two boxes is a 7 in this column. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 7. Eight, 2, 5, 4, 4, 4. 5, 2. Yeah. 2, 2.
Oh ja, het is bij de rode lamp. Ja.
'Difficult part here. We have a 3, 7, and an 8. 3. Yes. These 3 numbers in the last row, those missing numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 8. Look, we have a 3 and an 8, so no 3 and 8 in this box. 1 digit left, should be the 7, the 3 and the 8 goes in those two boxes. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row above, so that row. Oh no, 3, not correct. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 4, 8 and a 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Nine, 2, 8, 5, 9, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 3, 3. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row, the 2 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4, 4. 3, 3. 5, 5. 4, 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. One is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 9, 6, 9, 6. 1, 5. 9, 9, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so in the middle row, only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 rows there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 1, 2, 3 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the 5th puzzle. It will be a binary puzzle. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.